China Central Asia Summit is held on May the 18th and 19th in Xi'an, Shanxi Province. Leaders from China and 5 Central Asian countries will attend the summit. So before it kicks off, we hit the streets in China and asked young people from the 5 Central Asian countries about their thoughts on Chinese modernization.
China has a large population and it means a super-scale modernization.
In recent years, China has made significant progress. The country has become the world's second largest economy and has lifted millions of people out of poverty.
The first thing that came to my mind is common prosperity. I know that China is paying more attention and trying to give everyone in the country opportunity to a good education, to healthcare, and to everything which will benefit them.
Chinese approach to modernization, which emphasizes sustainable and inclusive development, has the potential to offer an alternative model of development. Chinese focus on common prosperity could provide valuable lessons for other countries seeking to achieve similar goals.
China's modernization is an ongoing process, and it's aiming to make China into a modern socialist country in all aspects. So it includes cultural dimensions. In terms of culturally, China pays more attention and tries to improve its education, healthcare.
China has been going up, developing rapidly, and at the same time is focusing on the rich culture and history.
China's approach to modernization emphasizes the importance of coordinated material and cultural ethical progress. The goals of Chinese modernization are all interconnected and reflect China's vision for a sustainable and harmonious society.
中国的现代化，还有保护环境和大自然，因为这为了人民的生活环境也越来越好，生活也越来越幸福。
Green development attracts me most because China now is a leading country in terms of the production of green energy.
人与自然和谐共生，就是绿色治理框架下的经济发展。中国它是比较注重生态文明，要保持一个平衡，所以我感觉中国做了一个非常重要的贡献。
和平发展道路的现代化，因为这对中国有利，也对世界有利，更是实实在在行间的行动。和中国的友好合作也帮助我们国家就是一起取得更好的发展。
China's modernization is truly impressive and ambitious effort to build a modern socialistic country. Another important aspect of Chinese modernization, I would say, is the focus on economic development. Through initiatives like the BRI Belt and Road Initiative, China is working to promote trade and investment and create new opportunities for growth and development in these regions. I think overall China's modernization is a powerful example of what can be achieved through hard work as China continues on its path towards building a modern socialist country. In all respects, I have no doubt that it will continue to inspire and impress people from all around the world.